In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Conversations tab in your Go High Level account. So when we go to Conversations, on the left side here is where you can see all your different conversations with different people. Okay, now we have Harry here. What is cool about this feature is that we are able to see different conversations from different platforms all in just one place. When you connect your Instagram, your Facebook, your email, your SMS, your WhatsApp, all of them will be here. Oh, another one to include is your Google Business Profile. So it's very simple to use. Say we have Harry here who just type something here. All we need to do is just click here and type a message, and then we can just type reply and then click send to send a message. A few other things here is attach a file, insert emojis, and inserting template snippets. Okay, so just let me talk a little bit about template snippets, which is all the way up here. So these template snippets are templated responses which you can create so that you do not need to type replies which are similar over and over again. Okay, let's say example, somebody asks you about your pricing or your working hours. So let's go to templates here, and we can create a template here. So there are two types of templates we can create, which one is text template and the other is an email template. An email template is a template which you create for emails. Okay, so what we have up here is the name of the template, of this email template. We have the subject of the email you want to send, and then also you also have the body. Okay, and then down here you can click save, and here is you can send the email from who to who. And the other one is the other template that we can create is a text template. So a text template is some template that we create special, not just for SMS, but also for your Instagram, your Facebook, your Google Business Profile, your WhatsApp. All will be categorized under text template. So just let me create one real quick to show you how it works. So maybe this is working hours, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. Okay, so just create a simple one, working hours, our working hours, blah, blah, blah. We just click save. And then let's go back to conversations. And then we have Harry here. So say, for example, if Harry asks us about what are your working hours, we just go here, insert template, press on that, and then look for the template. Should be working hours. Just press this and then press use template to send out the message that we want to send. Okay, so that's just the basics of how to use the conversations tab. I will see you guys in the next video.